If you spent some time and looked into ICOs, you probably heard about bounty programs. Now, surprisingly, there isn't that much information about them, at least not enough. So, what is this mythical beast? Let's start from the beginning. Now, the definition of a bounty is the sum paid for capturing or killing a person or animal. Popular back in the Wild West, bounties were put on notorious criminal heads, and whoever captured or killed them got a reward. Now, in the land of ICOs, bounty program is a marketing tool. Company running the ICO issues a reward, usually paid in their tokens, to people who help spread the word about the ICO. Putting it as simply as possible, you get paid for spamming the company's name on social media. Now, of course, bounty programs come in different shapes and sizes, but there are general similarities and rules that apply to all of them. As an example, I'm going to use Krepty's bounty program for two reasons. One, it's a classic, straightforward cookie cutter example. Two, I'm taking part in it myself. Now here's what you need to know. Pretty much all bounty programs start before and last the entire ICO. The rewards are paid after the program ends, plus a couple of weeks to assess and send out the reward. They are almost always on BitcoinTalk.net. If you're not familiar with the site, it's pretty much a Reddit for cryptocurrencies. They sometimes be quite tricky to find, so I would recommend you find a site that tracks all bounty programs. I personally use CryptoCreed. Once you found a program you like, go to their Bitcoin Talk page. On the main thread, you'll find all the information and links you need. Usually there are many campaigns, spread across all popular social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, etc. Now, if you're quick, you can find translation campaigns before they got reserved. Bug Hunter and advertising campaigns are popular too. Now, each campaign has its own set of rules and requirements, and tasks you need to complete in order to receive a reward. If you want to do, for example, the Twitter campaign, you'll need at least 100, usually 300 followers. Twitter audit score between 85 to 95%, and some programs require that your account is at least 3 to 4 months old. It's quite similar for other social medias. Now here's a step-by-step guide for participating in bounty programs. First, find a program. Second, find the campaign you want to participate in. Third, find out if you're worthy enough. Fourth, feel insecure about your follower count. Fifth, get over your insecurities and realize that life is meaningless when you're all going to die at some point. Sixth, stop wasting time. Seventh, register and get an Ethereum address if you don't have one already. 8. Start doing the tasks. 9. Profit. 10th. Repeat step 1 to 9 until you feel happy about the content of your bank account. Useful tips I learned the hard way. First, if you don't have enough social skills to gain followers, websites like You Like Hits and Twents can help you out. Second, keep an organized list and schedule, so you can find all the tweets you made in one place. This especially helps if you're participating in many programs. Find smaller, lesser known programs so you can get the bigger share of that sweet reward money. And that's how you participate in the bounty program. And we'll go out there and get rich by spamming Twitter.